Sarah, hello, I'm. On today's episode, we'll be talking with two denim enthusiasts who I have the pleasure of calling coworkers about how to break out of their tried and true denim blues.
Hi, I'm Carol. I'm a UX designer and mom to two little girls. I find it so easy to just throw on jeans and a nice top, but I just really like to get more adventurous.
So you want to break out of jeans.
That's right.
The easiest way to do that is pop on a dress. Super versatile. You can wear this with your denim jacket for a little date night action, pop on a sneaker or a sandal for weekend casual. But I found you this great pant, and then this guy, a little leopard. And leopard is actually a neutral and will pair well with just about anything. Yes.
Hi.
I love this look.
I love it too.
Get it? Olive.
I get it.
These olive pants are great for summer. It's got a little bit of stretch in it, so you can run around those kiddos, a great little crop length, and you can wear it with or without this belt. These pants will also take you through fall, pop on a little ankle booty and a cute sweater, and they'll take you into the next season. So to complete the look, this fresh white denim jacket. And these are also exclusive to Stitch Fix.
I feel great. It's very different from what I usually wear. You know, I've always sort of shied away from olive and brown, but this looks really good, especially with the red and the cheetah, so I could definitely do this. The pants are so comfortable. I feel like I could just go take a nap in them.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm on the learning and development team here at Stitch Fix, and I used to be a teacher, so I own a lot of chinos, and so I associate them with business casual vibes, but I want to lose the business and just figure out how to wear them casually.
Clearly I can't school you, but I have a couple tips.
Great.
Colored denim. It reads like a chino, but it has the durability of your favorite jeans.
Love it.
Could be called a Gino.
Yeah.
Yeah. Since you love khakis, we're gonna go here. That is clearly something that you like in this whole mint vibe. And then we'll just loosen them up.
Teacher vibes are gone.
Totally, yet you still have A+ style.
Thank you.
For this kind of lived in, I woke up like this sort of look, just pop your chinos into the dryer for like 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then just, you know, that laundry look, but we're just gonna do an easy, messy roll. Almost don't even look at it when you're doing it, so it'll be kind of perfectly imperfect. To top it off, a denim jacket.
The color vibes are exactly my style. I would never roll the cuff, but with the look, I have Palm Springs vibes that I'm loving for the summer. Just like a mood. There's a story there. I love it.
My dad could use a denim makeover for sure. He saw one of the episodes and he's like, just whatever you do, don't put me in a skinny jean. I'm no rock star, so.